Hello folks, my name is Jerry, your favorite sales consultant over at the Paula Chevrolet, and next to me I have this beautiful 2025 leftover Chevy Tahoe Premier with the manager special live on it until the end of the month. Everyone qualifies for over $8,000 off the MSRP. Let's dive right into it. On the exterior, you got this beautiful radiant red color. You get these 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. In the front, you get powered leather seats that are heated and cooled. You also get heated seats in the rear. This vehicle also has the technology and entertainment package. You get this beautiful panoramic sunroof, two 12-inch screens in the back, and a heads-up display. You're also gonna get a 360 camera on the inside and a power tailgate. You can't tell me this thing isn't beautiful. Now, you guys have until the end of the month to take advantage of this program. If you guys are interested, please give me a call at 518-417-0480 or come see us down at 785 Central Ave.